Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure CrowdStrike endpoint protection step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the CrowdStrike Falcon console login page. Enter your username and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, locate the Configuration tab on the left side menu. Click on Configuration to open the drop-down menu. Select Endpoints from the options that appear. In the Endpoints section, you will see a list of your enrolled devices. Identify the device you want to configure. Click on the device name to open its Details page. On the Details page, look for the Policies tab. Select the Policies tab to view the current policy settings. If necessary, click on the Edit button to modify the existing policy. Review the current settings, including prevention, detection, and response options. Adjust the settings according to your organization's security requirements. Once you have made the desired changes, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your new settings. Return to the Endpoints list to ensure all configurations are correct. If you need to deploy a new policy, go back to the Configuration tab. Select Policies from the drop-down menu. Choose Add Policy to create a new policy. Fill in the required fields, providing a name and description for the policy. Configure the settings for prevention, detection, and response. After completing the settings, click on Save to create the new policy. Now, assign the new policy to the relevant endpoints. Check the box next to each endpoint you wish to assign. Click on the Policies button at the top. Select Assign Policy from the drop-down menu. Choose the newly created policy from the list. Confirm your selection by clicking the Assign button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.